Right guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the Focus, not been in that for absolutely, well, this car for ages now. Bumpers there, ready to go to Sean at the body shop, First Class Motors. We're going to get a quote. No idea how much it's going to cost to fix the tailgate because it's got a little chip out of it, but we'll go there now, meeting Ben, and we'll see what the damage is going to be. Supposedly this is your mate Sean, right? And I think you're my friend already, so let's have a good price. It looks worse than it is, you know what I mean?
That's what they all say. It'd have been harder to repair it, so we've got your new bumper.
Yeah.
There's only one problem. You've not got the sensor holes. You're only good at drilling holes out.
These ones.
Yeah.
You can fix that, can't you?
Yeah.
Got a machine for doing that.
Sweet.
Yeah, nice
so the sensors are obviously in this boot, in the bumper, but not in that. Another little problem is, can you open the boot from there?
Well, sort of, yeah.
It catches on the light.
Yeah, so obviously if that's bent, well, no issue for a man of your skills, that is it?
Piece of piss.
Well, you reckon 50 notes?
I think you're looking probably around 700-800 quid.
700?
Right,
so
let's I'll see you later then, yeah?
Let's get rid of this.
With you. See you in a bit.
Right, we'll get the real price off camera.
I think that back there is pushed over.
Do you reckon?
I reckon it is, yeah. I think you're going to need a bracket as well. I think you're definitely going to need a bracket.
What's that, one of them?
Yeah, that white bracket.
Well, he made it worse now, it was fine before. No, that's better now. Right, so it's not going to be a cheap job?
No.
Alright, well done. Cheers.
Never is going to be a cheap job, is it, with you?
Right, we'll leave it with you. Come back in a few days when you get your electric sorted
Can I
out.
just say something? Yeah. You know when you purposely did this, could you have just done it purposely a bit cheaper?
Well, I didn't purposely bend that.
Purposely did it?
Well, supposedly, yeah.
Wow.
It's a good shot, that.
Well,
Right, anyway.
I mean, to miss the quarter completely, he's done alright there, hasn't he?
Yeah, only did that bit there. I mean, you put a bullseye on it like that and you said, make sure you hit that.
Yeah.
look behind there. You didn't look in there, did you?
No, but that's dented in there, mate.
You didn't see any of that, did you?
No, we missed that.
Yeah, I thought you might.
Pull out that though, won't it?
So it is a bit bent inside.
Bit of teacup,
right.
bit of, you know, bit of one of them things
Well, I
that...
said that it was pushed over.
Right, okay. Right. Well, you can fix it though, can't you?
Oh yeah, they'll fix.
And I didn't damage any of the wheels.
No.
And that's your job, isn't it?
Well, you know, but the problem with that is that's like £150 fix.
Yeah.
You're looking at 700-800 notes here without taking a bumper off.
Right, so we've got to leave the car with Sean because he's got problems with electrics. Electrician's coming out, he's going to fix that. He said he can't do it today, he's going to do it tomorrow. So hopefully he was joking with the 700 or 800 quid, but you never know, do you? So, we'll go back tomorrow. We've got other stuff to do today. And first time I've been back in the RS4 for ages as well.
Oh yeah, you've not been in this for a while, have you? The clutch is still shit, but luckily RTS are sorting us out.
Yeah, we're going to get that sorted out. What a great company. Cheers, guys. But that's in the future. Who knows? Might be next week.
Well, I spoke to Mark at Awesome GTI because it'd be them who are fitting it, and Mark said that the clutch is imminent, so they're making us a specific clutch for this. And because they got on and said, we saw your video, you pair of dickheads.
You've got the wrong clutch. So it's not their fault. We were saying, oh yeah, we didn't like it, but that is good customer service, don't you think?
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, we've just publicly slagged their clutch off on the internet, so then they got in touch and said, you've got the wrong one in, let us make you one, and it'll be a million times better.
Right, so we're back at Sean's. The Focus has had some work done on it, and let's go and see. Let's go and see. Let's have a look.
You're right, Edie is a pleb.
Did you polish that out or did you paint it?
I wish I could have polished it out, I'll tell you the truth.
Hey,
Is that
that's
supposed to be like that there? What's happened here? What's this? This little dint here. What's that do?
That's standard. That's standard.
That's supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
Part of pan.
Alright.
How do you think the light will go in?
I don't know, I just thought it was supposed to be flat there, but that's like dinted in there.
Have a look at the other side.
So this
you can't see it.
this bit was actually dented in, yeah?
That was all caved in there.
Right. Because that wasn't me though, was it?
Do you want me to tell the truth or tell lies?
Lie.
Lie, no.
Right, okay, so that wasn't me. So you fixed all that, so that looks good. We've just got to put the bumper on now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're going to help us?
No.
You said it'd help us.
I don't know what I'm doing, do you?
You said you wanted to do it yourselves.
Yeah. We haven't got all day though, have we?
So was any of this bent and stuff?
Yeah. That. We pulled that.
You pulled it out?
Back straight.
Yeah, so it was just bent to about there. So nothing major.
No.
So really what you're trying to say is the crash that I had, it was just a little minor?
It was just a knock.
Yeah. So it wasn't too bad then in the end.
You've had worse on your head.
So when you said like 50 quid, you were serious, weren't you?
See you later, mate.
See you later, Sean. Cheers. So you're leaving us to finish this on our own, yeah? Right, so are you going to put the bumper on our watch? Yeah?
Yeah, mate, yeah. Yeah, okay. I'll piss that.
So we've just been told, if this was an insurance job, you've just told us, so it's come straight from the horse's mouth here.
Right.
You get 22 minutes to put a bumper on.
Yeah, it's a Ford bumper, mate. It'll have like 2 screws and that'll be it.
Come on then. So
and 2 screws and some gaffer tape.
You can do it yourself, can't you?
Piece of piss.
Right, come on, Sean has helped us out here.
Not really, I did it myself. Off camera, I've cut the holes out.
So you did this?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. So we're going to put it in. So this was the old bumper, yeah?
Yeah.
If we would have brought this in and someone said, can you repair it? Could you have actually repaired that?
Depends how much time I've got.
Would you have done that plastic weld stuff?
Yeah, you could plastic weld it.
You could have finished it.
You could have messed about with it, but it would have been cheaper for it.
So that cost us 300 quid.
Yeah, you'd as well buy another one. Yeah.
Do you want to finish it off then? I know I did the damage, but you are a trained technician, aren't you?
Pretty much, yeah.
So we're trying to make out that you're doing the repairs on this.
I have been doing them.
So why is stuff going back on it? Are you all stood over there?
Because I just keep, it's easier, like the shot's better from over here, innit?
So you put that on, yeah?
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
You drilled all these holes for the sensors, yeah?
Yeah, it was all off camera, you weren't quick enough with the
Hold your hand up and say, I swear.
I'm full of shit.
Actually, genuinely, you are going to put something back together on this.
What do you mean, genuinely? That's all I've been doing all afternoon.
Come on then. Right, so it's a big arse box for a little thing. So,
Little hole?
Little. Right, so the reason this has to go back on is because it attracts the air through there. So when you close the boot, these come out, but if you don't put them back on and it rains, it's just going to get full of water.
Right, you'll probably not want to...
Don't want to film. Got the big hammer?
There you go.
Perfect fit. Well, that was tight. Yeah, it's tight. Better to be tight like you. Now,
I'm tight.
Now I know how you feel. You know when you go into your wallet and you're trying to open it, that was as hard as getting that in there.
That's why I don't bring my wallet out with me.
Is that slander, that?
That is slander,
is that
yeah.
defamation?
Yeah.
Is that based on a fact?
No, it's not. You made that up.
That's just my opinion.
That's just you being full of shit as usual,
Right,
yeah.
well, you can't take that to court over it or anything like that. He was supposed to be doing it, right? And up to now, you've done everything.
Well, I can do
can't
this.
talk,
I can do this, yeah. Easy peasy, you see. I could do it, but because I've shown Sean how to do it already,
yeah.
and obviously Sean wants to do it, so that's what I've got to do. Innit?
You're thinking the same as me now, because you've got a puzzled look on your face. That bumper ain't going to go back on looking original, is it? There's just too many things to go wrong.
And knowing our luck, and this is the reason why we don't piss about with stuff, is because nothing ever goes right.
Nothing ever goes right.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it there.
Don't fit.
What do you mean, don't fit?
Well, there's Thor there, but then it pops out over here.
Did you damage yourself?
No, I've just been working there. Look, there's a bit of dirt there.
Right, so again, this doesn't look like you're doing it.
Also, this is what happens when you're a gaffer. You should know, because you do it to me all the time. You start, waggling your finger about and say, you just do this, do that, do the other. Then I tell you to piss off.
Right, so that doesn't look like you putting that bolt screw thing.
Got more hair than me, hasn't he? So it's not even like a beard body double. He's slimmer and got more hair than me.
The boot's getting flatted and the bumper polished up. In the meantime, let me just show you this. So when I crashed it, I said I hope the ad rev is going to pay for the repair work. So it said
47,000 views.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the equivalent of, in ad revenue, made a grand total of $168.
Oh. So that's not even paid for half the bumper.
No, it's not actually. Well, it was 350 quid for the bumper delivered.
Yeah.
Then obviously we've not even got the bill off Sean to fit it and paint it. Even though we fitted it, by the way, did we? You fitted it? Yeah. I thought you did. You didn't watch the video enough. That was the problem. So if you didn't watch the video enough, at least what you can do is hit the subscribe button.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah, that's what everyone has to do, don't they? Subscribe. That's the name of the game. I don't know, I'm talking to the wall, I think, over there.
You just do us a favour though.
What?
Stop crashing shit.
Hold on a minute. You crashed the Sylvia.
No, we'll leave it.
So let's have a look, see if it's a matcher. So obviously this has been polished, so that's always going to look better than the rest, because the rest of it's dirty, it's not even had a wash. But what do you reckon?
Well,
good?
it's like brand new, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've done a terrific job there, Rodders.
Do you know what? You definitely need a certificate now in bodywork as well.
So that's a trained electrician, no, technician.
Yeah, and you
Same
can be
thing.
an electrician as well.
Yeah, and body repairer guy.
Well, look at that. Perfect. Just to show everybody there. Paint's a good match, which it should be because it's an original nitrous blue bumper.
There you go. It's not been painted yet. It was already done.
It's already done.
Yeah.
It was only the tailgate that was painted.
Yeah.
And that's bang on.
And that's because there was a little chip. There was a little
Yeah, it was a
chip
little
there, wasn't there, somewhere?
little
on the
dent.
edge.
But yeah, it's bang on that.
The chaps at Emerald Struts are very kindly. Not that that's like a plug or anything.
Is this a paid promotion?
It is paid promotion.
Have we got paid for it?
No.
Right, so it's not paid promotion then.
It's promotion. I've put them on the RS3 already. I've got that on the Instagram.
Yeah.
But now that we've had the bumper fixed, I wanted to put these on the Focus.
Just before we start,
Yeah.
just before,
Go on.
so this,
Oh yeah.
right, what it actually does, because people will be like, look, why are you changing the struts?
Right. Yeah. So with the key, the boot key, you double tap, and that's it. It just pops.
And it
So the
opens,
RS3 is the same. So you've got to lift it.
You've got to lift it past halfway for it to go up.
Yeah.
Right, so this is going to automatically, as soon as you pop it, it's going to fire it up. Yeah?
Exactly.
Okay.
So what they do in the struts, they have like a strong spring that obviously then springs the thing up. So you literally just push it up.
Alright.
There you go.
Very forceful today.
Yeah.
Very authoritative.
Well, it makes a change. It's usually you bossing me around. So now that I know what I'm doing, I just need to get this side of it. So these little clips don't need to come out. They just need to be sort of released a little bit. And then it's hard doing this with. You still got the thing?
Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, don't. Two things at once.
I can't get the screwdriver in here, but I just need to get this little clip.
Right, watch me body work because it's just been painted.
You could do with. There we go.
There you go. You're too far down.
There we go.
There you go. Yeah. Done it.
So yeah, these don't need to come off when you do it. They just need to be like pulled out a little bit, and they release off the little ball.
It's almost you sound like you know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. Like, come on,
Well,
because
it's
I'm
all
holding
time
this up
made a
there now.
mistake.
So is the one for the left and one for the right, or they're just universal?
I think they're just the same, to be honest with you, mate.
Right, okay.
I haven't a clue, but these are definitely different. I don't know what these do. Oh, these screw on the end, clearly. So these are slightly different to the RS3 ones. But these little retaining clips here, if you can see them, they literally pop off there, twist round, and then come out. So you just need to hold on to these, and same the other side. And that obviously stops them from coming off the ball. Oh shit, there's your new bumper.
What are you doing?
My bad.
That's just been painted, that.
My bad. That goes in there, like that, you'll hear it click.
Easy.
And that then goes in there, click,
Wow.
yeah?
Yes.
And then you get the little clip things. See, it just goes down in that hole, through the other hole, and then twists round and clips in.
And the same with the top,
And
yeah?
the same with the top. There we go.
Right, so that's in. We're going to do the other
that's that one
side. We're not going to film that because we've already done that. This strut is that strong. It should hold it with just one. So we'll soon find out. There you go. See, that's how strong they are. Right, so it's took
Not be
about
further from it.
5 minutes.
There you go.
Real quick.
Easy enough. Well, that's if I've done it right. We don't actually know
It's
yet.
probably took as long to get the stuff out of the box that it did to put them
Yeah.
on.
All the instructions come in here, by the way, but obviously that's if a woman's doing it, they'll read them.
What do you mean, a woman? You can't be sexist like that.
No, but women read instructions, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Men don't
right,
read instructions.
right. I thought you meant women
No.
can't do it. No, this is simple. A child could do it.
So it is stiff, this. And you'll feel like the spring, but you have got to...
It feels like it's going to break,
Yeah, I've just left the keys in the boot.
but it's not locked, is it?
No. And
So-
what you do have to be careful of now is that anybody unsuspecting...
You've got to get away quick because it
Yeah.
does fire up real quick. But this isn't designed to really open with your, like manually. It is designed to open with the key.
Yeah? So
So-
now,
Yeah.
with the Focus one, you double
on.
tap it. You just double tap the boot button. Eh? Huh?
And you know what? When we come to raffle this is going to be on the car. So look at that.
Yeah, it is,
so you're
yeah.
going to spend 10 quid on a ticket to buy this car, and you're going to get an auto boot as well.
That is good, that.
Yeah,
That's
it's worth the money,
a good
innit?
little mod, that. And do you know what? The struts, and I'm not just saying this, well, you'll know what we're like. If we think something's shit, we'll say it's shit, but the actual quality of the struts and everything, and they're really, really good.
The worst case, right, what we'll do is when we raffle the car off, we'll leave the original struts in the boot if you don't like it.
Well, that's true,
To
yeah.
the lucky winner, if you don't like
If
it.
you don't like them, you put the normal ones back on.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, when you've got your hands full of all your shopping from Alfred's for this car, and you come and you press the button,
Yeah.
you know.
All we need now is the one where you do that underneath it and go,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, open.
They never work them.
Right.
So yeah, one more little.
Right, so that is the car all finished, all painted up. It's cost a little bit more than £1,000, which is well over the budget that I thought, because I thought it was going to be about 500. But it's not the end of the world. The thing is, we've had it done properly, pulled out, it's perfect, like a brand new condition, and for only £10, my dream machine are going to be raffling the car off. So one ticket, £10, and you could win our pristine condition Focus RS.
Please have a go. Don't go nuts though. Don't go skinting yourselves. I'm sure you won't for a Focus RS. To be fair, I mean, I wouldn't.
Are you going to enter it?
No.
Me neither.
I'll be glad to see the back of it. But I mean, even it does this now. I love
How good's
that.
that? That's class.